have to cook it down, so that's it. Oh no.
Pick up the phone, baby, I'm calling you. I put my all in you. Was supposed to ball with you. I've been grinding, I've been working for you, baby. For you to tell me you don't wanna do this, that's cool, baby.
Hey guys, it's Lewin back here again with another video. If you read the title, then you know we're doing a cooking video today. I just hope you enjoy. Please stay tuned if you want to carry on watching. So basically, the thing with me is that I like to look in the cupboard at what's in the house, and once I see something that I like, I'm like, yep, let me try cooking it. I'm not the best cook, I'm only 17 years old, but I mean, I can do things and I can cook at least. Most people don't know how to cook, and at least I can say that. So I'm looking in like the fridge and the cupboard and stuff. I saw that there were prawns, and if you know me, I love seafood, I love prawn. So we're going to be cooking that today. And I saw spaghetti, and then I saw cheese. I also saw sausages. I don't really know, like, it's just a vibe, honestly. I like coming into the kitchen and just being creative. Ignore this, my mum is cooking something else. I hope I'm loud enough. I don't know if you lot can hear me. You know how we black people just have the bowl of seasoning, a little bit of flavor enhancer, garlic powder, turmeric. Don't know if I'll be using it anyways. A little bit of black pepper and so on, but we don't need to get to the detail. Got some basil, mixed herbs, sea salt. In this family, we only use sea salt. Likewise, we don't even use sugar anymore. We use honey because we are that healthy family. So at the end of the day, when we're living over 100, what do you guys want to say? Garlic. Okay, basically this has mixed herbs, but it's actually garlic powder in there. My mum. And then basil again. The idea that I'm trying to go with this prawn dish, I'm trying to do something like garlic, lemon, always put like curry in there. I want it to taste different today, have a different exotic taste. First of all, because it makes sense, I should start putting the spaghetti on because this takes more longer to cook than prawn, if you get what I mean. Half to 3/4 of like cold water, always cold water, never hot water. Turn the fire on full heat so we can quickly get it boiling. How do you guys like my hair? Today we have school photos at school, so I decided to do like a little twang on the sides, as you can see. Something a little bit different. I should be revising right now, but this is part of me procrastinating. I am bettering my skills in cooking. And you can have chat for me.
It was at this moment that she knew.
Guys, guess what? The stove wasn't even on. I just talked too much. I actually wanted to make prawn tantamini, or what do you call it? Zarnier. It starts with an L, but I didn't have sour cream. I don't like this being on camera. Oh no.
Bruh.
Of course. Steam is a killer. You wouldn't be thinking it's fire, it's steam. Steam is what did this to me. But if you can see it, that was the kettle. I literally tell my mom all the time, when I'm washing this thing out, I sometimes wish it would break. Every single time she cooks, she uses it. I spoke to her about it, and her response was, I love the steamer, it changed my life. I want to break it every time I will have to wash it. It's so annoying. And that just added to my list. Start prepping the prawns. I just put too much. I'm just gonna rinse that out. Guys, before you start cooking, always make sure you wash your hands with soap.
Bruh.
My mom's gonna kill me. She hates when I use napkins. But I mean, how can you use one napkin to dry your hands? It has to be at least 3, 2 maximum. And I've got it in. I'm like the worst cook. I need someone to be in the kitchen reminding me of like what I'm supposed to do. Otherwise I will forget. I'm gonna wash these pawns. If you don't wash your food, then what are you doing? This would be able to serve like 2 people. Me and my mom are the only people in this household that eat seafood. So I don't need to worry about no one else. So I'm just gonna wash my pawns because that's what any reasonable person would do. Another top tip is make sure you always clean your surface area every time you make a mess whilst you're cooking. My mom could never stop stressing me. Giovanni, go in the bedroom.
That's yummy.
No, I'm cooking right now. I'm gonna season the prawns. I'll take one look at a cooking website. Usually, I don't even use cooking websites. I'm quite spontaneous. I like to look at a picture and say, yeah, I'm gonna cook that. Oh, it's ready for the spaghetti now. Lemon's right here. I actually cut this one not too long ago. I'm not even gonna taste the seasoning. You get a small amount like so. Or what you do, you just mix it in like this. Slowly make it start getting softer before like it fully gets into the pot because it's so long. Most people like to break it in half, but what that does, yeah, is that spaghetti is not supposed to be tiny and broken in half, is it? No. It's supposed to be long, and to keep the length of it, what you want to do is you just want to do what I just did. Then if you want more, you do the same procedure again.
Get the gag, till the third wall, pass it till the third wall, pass it, get the gag.
I don't even know what I'm in the kitchen. My potato them is done cook. See there, my potato done cook.
Oh, sorry. I am recording. Never be afraid to put your hands inside the food and even taste. So you know what else you need to add to it. Give it enhancer. Pepper seeds. If you don't like the idea of using your hands, you can use a spoon.
Move like a snake, like a snake. 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 Put your
I'm gonna drain it now, basically. The pan I'm going to be using to cook the prawns. Instead of use butter to cook it down, so that's it.
Bruh.
On the highest. I can't be the only one that does that. I have to touch it quickly. I don't have a garlic crusher. I think I'm just gonna crush it with a cup. And that is it. I'm gonna put it in like ghetto.
I'm in the ghetto. Ratatata. Ratatata.
Garlic in there. I'm sensitive when it comes to like seasoning and stuff. Now this looks so professional. This looks like the picture.
Bruh.
Wow. That tastes amazing. So good. I don't know if you like to add sausages to it. You can't go wrong. I think it's like 4 pieces. I haven't boiled it. Neither have I like cooked it. Oh, I think it's fine. This tastes so good. I can't even. it's come to a point where I'm not literally making any video as content. I actually love editing videos. That's like, I find myself wondering like what's next, and like I'm running out of video ideas. You lot aren't helping me. I mean, I'm gonna forgive you guys and just believe you guys are busy or something. But like, I need you lot to give me ideas, video ideas, because I'm just gonna keep giving you content. A little bit of everything. My slogan isn't that for no reason. I literally do a little bit of everything because I am multi-talented. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe.
I've been grinding, I've been working for you, baby.